So you're interested in real estate? Well, that's great, because so am I, and it's amazing that the YouTube algorithm has put us together so we can have some chats about what it's like to work, invest, and even buy real estate. A little about me first. My name is Shane Fleming. I'm a chartered property surveyor. I have a degree in property economics. I've been working in the real estate industry for over 17 years, and for the last 5 years I've been running my own consultancy. I've had the opportunity to work with some fantastic clients over the years, from home buyers, private investors, to multinationals such as McDonald's. And I started this channel to provide some of my insight that I have gained back to you guys. So what to expect from this channel? First thing is trust. I want to build trust within the real estate industry. The next thing is to build your knowledge. I'm not going to try to sell you anything on this channel. I may run the odd course every now and again, and perhaps it would be great if we did get to work together on something bigger. But that's not what this channel is about. This channel is about building your knowledge of the industry so you don't actually ever have to engage my services. It would be great to get to know you all, so hit that subscribe button. Also follow us over on Instagram, DM us your questions over there. Don't expect me to wear a jacket and a shirt in all the videos. Generally speaking, I don't, but I am looking forward to get to know you all.